Hello from Taj Medics. I've got a Vauxhall Mokka here on a 2017 plate. I'm not doing anything basically. I'm just going to show you how to remove the rear brake light on this one. You've got a top one there, you've got the indicator as well as the reverse. On this side here, I've already done this side. The video for this one is already on YouTube, so if you want to check it out. But to get to the other side, I'm just going to show you how it's done. All you got to do is, if you get in the boot, once you're in the boot, you get a flat screwdriver, right, and then slot it through that hole right there, and then pull the cover back. That's it. The cover comes out, and on the inside, now you've got the top one. Sorry, let me just get the camera angle. So that top one there, if you put your hand in, twist that to your left, and then take the whole thing out. I'm just gonna get, so I'm just recording at the same time, so it's a bit awkward to get to the bulbs from that position. But as you can see now on the inside, I've taken the bulb holder out, but it is quite tight. So what you could do is, you've got a 10mm on this side here, 10mm there, and 10mm on the bottom. No, sorry, not 10mm, 8mm it would be. So you need an 8mm socket or a spanner. Undo these nuts, and then you've got this one right here you can undo as well. But I'm sure if we can somehow change the position of the camera, or if I can slot the camera in there, hopefully now you can see. So if I get this out, it's still a bit difficult. So what I'm going to do, it does need to come out. Right, now that I've got the cable out, I can pull the top one and then replace the bulb. That's all you have to do. Now the bulb for this one is going to be a 5, it's a double filament. So it will either be a 5, if it's a 382 for the normal bulb, so this would be a 580 because it's a double filament. So if you just slot it back in once you've replaced the bulb, slot it back in, and that's it, job done. All you then do is connect this back up as well. So there's a little cover on the back of it. So that's it. Now if you wanted to do the bottom bulbs as well, same procedure for the bottom ones are quite easy, because there's a lot more clearance on the bottom ones. It's just the top one. You've got to remove this plug here, just pull it out, so you get a lot more leverage for the cable. But yeah, that's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And sorry for the video, it's not the best, but it will give you an idea how to do it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.